Good morning, students. We discussed about this prose poems. 6th standard English Term 2. Prose 1 Sports Stars. Sports Stars in the Term 2. We discussed about this section 1. Each day is a new beginning. It has so much to unfold and had the best day at school today. So one student is writing the diary. So each day it is a new beginning one. Every day it is a new one. So every day you have to born. Every day you have to born. So that is, it has so much of unfolding, means it's a thinking. So unfolding means that is a thinking. It is a best day of that, the school day. So school day is a best one. It's a remember of that. It's a memorable day for the school day. So next we learn about this cricket. So already you see that, already how to know that the sports. So are you like the sports? Yes. So you are liking this PT period. You are liking this PT period when compared to the subjects, when compared to this periods. So PT period is a special one. Because of this we are enjoyable in the ground. We are enjoyable in the ground. So sports are for fun, but they are also of benefits and lessons that carry over into all aspects of life. Sports means all forms of the physical activity through the casual or organized participation. So aim at expressing or improving the physical fitness and mental well-being, forming the social relationships, or obtaining the results in the competition at all levels. So next we learn about this Mithali Thurairaj. Next we learn about this Mithali Thurairaj. So say there's one proverb. Clouds could not guide the glory of the sun. Storms could not counter the courage of a woman. There's a best proverb for this in the women's. So cricket is something that I love. Today my teacher told us that we could be learning about a cricketer. I thought of Sachin, Virat Kohli and many other male players in the Indian cricket team, but she introduced the Mithali Thurairaj, an Indian cricketer and the captain of the Indian women's cricket team in Test and one-day internationals. I never thought a woman could play cricket so well. It was why I have never let my little sister play cricket with me. I would tell her, it is not for you. So you had better play with girls. However, I was taken by surprise when I learned that Mithali started to play the game at the age of 10 and that she was selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. So do you like that Sachin and Virat Kohli? So you are thinking about this in the cricket. You are thinking about only for this Sachin and Virat Kohli in some male cricketers. So we are discussing about this in the female cricketer. We are discussing about this in the female cricketers. That is name is Mithali Thurairaj. That name is Mithali Thurairaj. So in this class, in the 6th standard class, so the teacher asked that we are discussing about this cricket. We are discussing about this cricket. So the students thought that the teacher asked that the Sachin, Virat Kohli. So other cricketers, the male cricketers only we discussed that. Is a very interesting one. So the teacher introduced that female cricketer. That name is Mithali Thurairaj. The name is Mithali Thurairaj. So that is an Indian cricketer, the captain of the Indian women's cricket team. In the Indian women's cricket team, it is a test is, so you have to play it in this one-day internationals. So the students thought that only for cricket, only for this boys game, only for this boys or this gents game. So that students are say that it is a play for the only boys, ma'am. So it is the teachers asked that. So women are played in very well in the cricket. So for the example of the Mithali Thurairaj. So Mithali Thurairaj was start the game at the age of 10. Start the game at the play at the age of 10. So and she was selected, it is a very earlier period, it is a 17. The age of the 17, she is selected in the Indian team. She is selected in the Indian team. So the students asked the teachers, so asked the teacher, so one student asked the teachers, so I asked, I am playing with the cricket, ma'am. So that the sister told them, so I also play the cricket, brother. So I also joined the cricket. So the student, so the brother is asked that the sister, so is it not in your game? So you play with girls. So other games you play with girls. So it is he is recognized the mistakes. He is recognized the realize the mistakes. He realize the mistakes. So the age of the 10. So in the game is the cricket game is play started in the Mithali Thurairatj at the age of the 10. So she is selected at the age of the 17 in the Indian cricket team. So Mithali lives in this Hyderabad. I was interested to learn that her mother tongue is Tamil. I felt very proud that she has been widely recognized and acknowledged. She was the highest run scorer in women's international cricket and the only woman cricketer to surpass the 6,000 run marks in ODS. ODS means one day internationals. So Mithali is the first player to score the 7 consecutive 50 years. In fact, she is a nickname Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket, as she is presently all-time leading run scorer for India in all formats, including Testers, ODIs and T20s. I would love to quote what Mithali had to say about this compliment. So Mithali was lived in the Hyderabad. So Mithali was born in this December 3, 1982. So in the jokes books in the Rajasthan. So she is age of this 36. So the father of this Mithali Thurairatj is Thurairatj. So the Mithali is the father is Thurairatj. The mother is the Veeran Thurairatj. So she is lived in the Hyderabad. So she is learned in some mother tongue, that is Tamil. So she is lived in this Hyderabad. The Hyderabad is mother tongue, it is Telugu. But she is the family of this Mithali. She is speaking in that spoke that the Tamil. So I felt proud that this widely recognized and acknowledged. So recognized means is that known that so that is the Tamil it is known that it is accepted in this the mother tongue of Tamil. She was the highest run scorer. She is a high run scorer in the women's international cricket team. So only woman cricket team is the 6,000 runs mark is a one day internationals. So Mithali was the first score runner in the 7 consecutive means is a one after another. It's a continuous of this scoring, continuous of this high score, continuous of that high score. He gives the high score from that India. So in fact, he is called as Tendulkar of Indian women cricket. He is told that. So he is nicknamed. So the fans are nicknamed as Tendulkar of Indian women cricketer. So that run scorer for the Indian all formats like this, Testies, ODIs and T20s. So it is a quite Mithali, it is a say about this compliment. So why is called this Mithali says that. So what is says that compliment, that is compliment means Tendulkar of Indian women's cricketer. So she said, and the one hand being compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege. I do not think I have achieved even half of what he did for what he did for the country and other. So being a woman cricketer, I want people to know me for my own identity. I would rather not to be compared to a male cricketer. Compared to a male cricketer. She said means mythology saint. So I will happy. We are comparing in that the Sachin. So I will happy and privilege means it is a honor for that you have to compare to the Sachin. It is I am very happy to that. So at the same time it is a thinking achieved is a only the half of that in this. I am not achieved for this even a half. I am not achieved in this even a half of the Sachin. So he didn't for that the entry. So on the other hand, so I am a woman cricketer. I am proud of this. I am a woman cricketer. So but I want this courageous about that the own identity. So I will express in this own identity for the cricket. I want an identity for that cricket. So I would rather, I am not interested in this compared to the male cricketer. I am not interested in the compared to the male cricketer. So she said means, so Mithali said that. So next see, indeed an aspiration to all of us. So she actually started playing cricket with her brother. So when she was young, she used to go with her father to the grounds where he practiced. She used to stand outside the ground and return the ball when it came her away. So though it was a humble start, she managed to secure a name and place for herself. Many of us think cricket is for men. So, however, she broke the traditional barriers and proved that women are on par with men in every field. Government of India in recognized of her contributions to cricket confirmed and her Padma Shri award. Indeed is not inspirations. Inspiration means inspirations. So all the persons look for this only for the mythology. So all the persons are look for that in the mythology. So she actually started. So in the stage of this, and the first started in play with the brother. So it go to the with her brother in the playground. So only it is a ball catching. She standard outside the ground. You see, I stand the outside that ground only for that away when there is a return ball and catch for that the ball. So pick up the ball from the out of the ground. So though it is a very start in this the smallest starting, it is a very few points. It can be smallest. It's a turning point of that the ground. It is a turning point of that the ground. Simply say that it is a turning point. It is a turning point means it is a catching the balls, becoming the balls. You have to identify only for this cricketing. So most of the time you have to spend in this ground. She managed to secure this name. So she managed to secure this name. So only for this special. So only for this specificity in this that game. So that is called specificity in this the game means cricket. So for herself. So many of this think. So all of her think that only for cricket in this boys. Only for cricket play in that boys only. So she is broken of the all the barriers. She is broken of this all the barriers. Traditional barriers it can be broken. She is broken. So proved that I am a woman. So it's equal to the man. I am a that's all the women is equal to the man. All the fields or means every field. So likewise in this that in this that department of this police and the department of this so medicines level, so doctor, engineer, all the things, all the fields in the women are equal to this man. So the government of India recognized another contribution to this Padma Shri award to them. So she is give the Padma Shri awards from the government. So Padma Shri awards is a highest award. It is a valuable awards from that government.